In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable data saver on iPhone. So if I download this video, you're able to turn on data saver on your iPhone to reserve your data on your iPhone while solving the YouTube. Then you want to hit like button and don't forget to subscribe. First thing you want to do when you want to enable data saver on the YouTube application on your iPhone or Android is open the YouTube application just like this. Then click on your profile icon at the bottom right. On the page, click on the settings icon at the top right like this. And then while on this page, then look for video quality preferences. Under video quality preferences, there are two options available here. There is on mobile network and there is on Wi-Fi. Click on mobile network. Once you click on that, here you should see auto recommended. This is adjust to give you the best experience for your conditions. Then under high pictures quality, you can see use most data is enabled. Then to save data on this page, all you need to do is make sure you select data saver. Then this might lower the picture quality while watching videos on the YouTube. And then under video quality on Wi-Fi, make sure you also enable data saver. Once that is enabled, hit the bar button. Then under the video quality preferences, you should see on mobile networks and on Wi-Fi, data saver is enabled. With this, the YouTube video is still going to play as usual. So the only limitation of this is the quality of the pictures might be a bit reduced, but this won't affect you from watching your various videos on YouTube. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.